Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually financial advisors got the green light to promote Bitcoin spot ETFs, but which group added the 4 Bitcoin spot ETFs to financial advisors? I tell you in a second. Then the second news is going to be about Uniswap, and because if you remember, Uniswap price went up quite significantly last Friday on the 23rd of February, but I didn't have a long video on that day, so I decided to do this here on Monday. And basically, Uniswap price skyrocketed after Foundation proposed a long-awaited staking reward, and some other projects going to follow this probably. So let's talk about that because it could be a game changer. And then we have MicroStrategy's X account being hacked, and yeah, a lot of money stolen already. So let's talk about that as well. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content that I'm creating. And now let's do it. Okay, and for start, as usual, let's have a look at the prices. Well, Bitcoin is slightly down 0.9% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 1% up in the last 24 hours. Ethereum price above 3,000 with $63. Bitcoin is also holding itself pretty well, $51,195. When we're looking at the top gainers in the last 24 hours, we see Flare up 18% in the top 100. We're looking at that. Then we have Mantle, 12% up, and ApeCoin, 10% up. Losers, WorldCoin, 9% down, Singularity Net, 6% down, and Filecoin down 6%. Okay, and when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see here a flag, a bull flag, actually. This is important because this is also very good for Bitcoin when it's not going sideways, but slowly going down, because this, as you can see, it's forming a bull flag on the 4-hour. You actually see it even better, but I put this here on the daily, which could cause, a breakout sooner or later. This is technical analysis, so if some major news coming in, and shit hits the fan, then that's a different scenario. But when we're looking at technical analysis, this could be definitely a bullish thing for us. And another important bullish thing is when we're talking about Ethereum, because Ethereum, look, today it was up to $3,113 so far. So looking very nice. But when we compare Bitcoin to Ethereum, look at this one. Here we have this green trend line. Oh, let's move this away. Yeah, this green trend line. And actually, I'll do this in the weekly because that makes more sense. So as you can see here, now, last week, we closed above it. And this could be a sign for the altcoin season if Ethereum starts to break out compared to Bitcoin, and then altcoin can move as well. So this could be interesting, and it's worth to watch in my opinion. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Carson Group adds 4 Bitcoin ETFs to financial advisors. Well, this could be actually the next step for Bitcoin spot ETFs, because what the issuers are doing, they're already promoting it. There are adverts out and so on and so forth. But the next step, give Bitcoin spot ETFs to financial advisors. Why? Because basically financial advisors, platforms, are crucial to introduce crypto products to new audiences. Very important, because these are the platforms with you can get actually more audience, because financial advisors do the work to introduce products what people can invest in. And the new one is here, the Bitcoin spot ETF. So The financial service firm, the Carson Group, has reportedly added 4 of the 10 Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to its offerings for registered investment advisors. And, they added these 4: BlackRock's, Fidelity's, Bitwise, and Franklin's Bitcoin spot ETF so far. So this is just the beginning, right? Because the majority of the financial advisors don't have access to many of these. But here we have Carson Group really starting this kind of game changer. And this could bring, Bitcoin spot ETFs to those who actually haven't heard about it, but even if they have heard, they weren't convinced. But then the financial advisor steps in. And look at this. Here we have Bitcoin inflows in the first 20 days of trading, right? Of Bitcoin spot ETF. 272,000 Bitcoin inflow. Outflow, this is basically grayscale, 167,000. So this is much bigger. But there's here the most important part. In these 28 days, 25,000, 25,200 Bitcoin has been produced. Got into the system through block rewards, because that's the only way Bitcoin can get into the system. So 10 times more have been bought by the Bitcoin spot ETF issuers. And if this continues, even if it slows down, but this continues, then guess what? Sooner or later, there won't be any Bitcoin available on the market because these guys collect it and then they make a ETF out of it. So that's very important to think of. Right. Next thing is about the Uniswap, because many of you have asked me that, what happened to Uniswap now? This happened on Friday when, the price skyrocketed. So let's have a look. Right, so when we look at the price of Uniswap, look at this green candle. This is the daily candle, and this one is about like 80% up, and then it closed a bit lower, and then we have now a correction, obviously, because it was a significant increase. But what happened actually? So Uniswap price skyrocketed after Foundation proposes a long-awaited staking reward. But in a nutshell, what does it mean? Basically, users who stake their Uni token will receive rewards. And this is actually a very important thing. Why is this important? Because the fees, what Uniswap gets, partly they will be given back to those who stake Uni tokens as a reward. And, simply, it's a passive income, what Uni stakers can do with this. And, in the past, mostly the protocols were afraid of this move because of the SEC, Gary Gensler. Will this make Uni a security, and so on and so forth? But now the biggest player among DEXs decided to do this proposal. So maybe they're not that afraid anymore, put it this way. And here is the tweet about it. And look, this one. We have here Frex Finance and saying that we are going to follow Uniswap's lead in proposing it. It will be up to the community to pass it. The CEO of Frex Finance said it. And maybe more and more will join Uniswap. So this could be actually really a kind of game changer, and really can boost the price of these tokens. So this is what actually happened to Uniswap. Right, and now the third topic is all about that MicroStrategy's X account has been hacked. Well, obviously we have hacks in crypto. We cannot imagine actually crypto without hacks. This time the one is MicroStrategy's X account, and hackers took over the official MicroStrategy X account, posting a series of malicious links to fake airdrop for a so-called Ethereum-based MicroStrategy token. And users clicking on the link is directed to a copycat MicroStrategy webpage that directs them to connect wallet and claim the fake MicroStrategy airdrop. So once user accepts a series of permissions in their Web3 wallet, it is understood that the hacker can automatically drain tokens out of the user's wallet. According to the independent blockchain sleuth ZexXBT, losses incurred from the scam have already tailed over $440,000 US. So guys, be aware of this, right? Don't click on anything on MicroStrategy's X account because it's hacked, and now the hacker is basically collecting money. Be very, very careful. You know, many times when you're watching YouTube, and then it pops up these live things, some MicroStrategy talking about Bitcoin giveaways. If you send them 1 Bitcoin, they send back 2. These all fake things. Okay, so it's a huge scam. Again, don't fall into these traps. Yeah, I think these were the news for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you these fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.